In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone on Pocket Option. Getting this right is a small adjustment that makes a big difference. When your platform shows times in your local zone, your chart candles, order timestamps, and expiration times line up with your day, making planning and risk management much smoother. First, log into your Pocket Option account. Use the official website or app and make sure you're on a secure connection. Once you're in, everything else happens right inside your account panel, so you won't need to navigate away from the main interface. Now look to the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile picture or avatar there. That opens your account menu, where all your personal settings live. If you're on a smaller screen, the avatar might be condensed into an icon, but it's still in that top right area. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This takes you to your Preferences page, where you can manage interface options, notifications, and time-related settings. Give the page a moment to load so all sections display correctly. On the Settings page, find the Time Zone section. It may appear under Profile, General, or Date and Time, depending on the layout you're using. Scroll through the page carefully until you see Time Zone. It's typically presented as a drop-down list or selector. Open the list and choose your preferred time zone. Picking a nearby major city is often the best option because it automatically tracks daylight saving changes for your region. If you trade across regions and prefer a fixed schedule, you can select a UTC offset instead. But remember that fixed offsets don't adjust seasonally. When in doubt, match the zone you actively plan around for trading, not necessarily where your device happens to be at the moment. After choosing your time zone, save the changes. Look for a Save, Apply, or Confirm button near the bottom or top of the settings area. Even if the platform sometimes autosaves, clicking Save ensures your preference is stored immediately. Once saved, the displayed times across the platform will reflect your selection. Chart timestamps, open and closed trade records, and expiration times should now appear in the zone you chose. Keep in mind, this affects only how times are shown to you. It doesn't change actual market session hours or server time. For the smoothest experience, align this setting with your personal calendar and alerts, and if your region observes daylight saving time, double-check it after seasonal shifts. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Pocket Option time zone, making your workspace clearer and your timing more precise. Happy trading!